how to post then and now photos on Android. Facebook no longer has a built-in then and now template, but you can still create the same effect with a simple photo layout. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android. At the top of your newsfeed, tap What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Next, tap Photo/Video and select the two photos you want to use, one from the past and one that's more recent. Then tap Next. Now, scroll through the editing options and tap Layout or Choose Layout if it's available. If your Facebook app supports photo editing, tap the Edit option on the first photo, then tap the text icon and add a label like Then or the year the photo was taken, and tap Done. Repeat the same steps for the second photo and add Now or the current year and tap Done. Once everything looks the way you want, add a caption if you'd like, then tap Post to share your then and now photo with your friends. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a then and now post on Facebook. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials.